Assalamualaikum all my lovely friends and families. Welcome to Taste of Apana channel. Today we're going to see how to cook an Afghanistan Lubia, which is a kidney bean curry. As you know, there are some kidney bean varieties out there. From that you can pick your favorite one. Today I choose a light speckled kidney bean, and let's see. First, in a pressure cooker, add the overnight soaked kidney beans and some salt. Then close with the lid and pressure cook this for about 8 whistles. After 8 whistles, put the flame off. Now in a blender, add the tomatoes to make a tomato puree. For that, here I am adding 3 medium tomatoes in a blender. Once the tomato puree is ready, heat oil in a pan. Then add the onion and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes. After that, add the ginger garlic paste and saute this well until the raw smell goes off. And now add the tomato puree. Then add 2 tablespoons tomato paste. The tomato paste will give a nice texture and flavor to the gravy, and you can get this recipe link from the description box. Once it gets boiled, add the spices such as turmeric and some black pepper powder. And now add the pressure cooked beans. If you want to add some water, you can add the water at this stage and then add some salt. Now close with the lid and cook this for about 15 minutes in a medium flame. After 15 minutes, open the lid and now add some coriander leaves. Then our lubia is ready to serve. You can serve this lubia with rice or roti or chapati, and if you like the video, press the like button and share the recipe to friends and families. If you have any comments, leave your comments in the comment section below. See you all next time with another recipe. Until then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.